Today we're upgrading my classic tree wheeler with some parts from Temu. So we just got back from an adventure down in China. I'm just joking, we just got back from the post office. But what I do got here is a pile of products sent over by Temu. And yes, you guessed it, this video is sponsored by Temu. So I wanted to upgrade the exhaust on this old trike because she's just a little too quiet. And a common modification that a lot of people make with these old trikes is you get an aftermarket exhaust for a CRF 230. It pretty much bolts right up here with a few modifications. So the fine crowd over at Temu, they gave me a budget and they said, pick out what you like, we'll send it to you. So this is what I got right here. We got a fine pile of stuff here. Included in that is the aftermarket exhaust system for this trike. Whether you're a new or existing customer, simply search the promo code KAM8487 in the Temu app search bar. You can receive a $20 coupon. This coupon is only valid for 24 hours after claiming, so don't forget to redeem it and enjoy your better price. Whoop! Oh my God, boys. Oh, look at the pipe on her. Beauty. So this is the muffler part. And what we have here is the rest of the exhaust. Nice. This is our front pipe with some hardware. Buddy, this is gonna look pretty sweet. This old pipe is pretty worn. If you look in here, it's all completely wired up back here. The tailpipe is pretty well rotted off. And aside from this looking real good, I think it's going to sound real good on this thing too. Now, in order to get this exhaust on this old trike, I do have to modify it a bit. I pretty much got to cut out a little center section. Now, in order to do that as right as possible, what I got here are some exhaust pipe expanders. Seems to be best kind. And after I cut my exhaust, I expand my pipes. I'm going to have to tack it together. So what I done was went and picked out a little stick welder. Here's our leads, ground clamp. We got a little brush. It's a small welder. Oh my God. Look at the size of this thing, boys. We also got a little socket set here so I can unbolt where this mounts together. I pretty much ordered the exhaust and everything that I needed to kind of do this job. This is a 72 tooth ratchet set. It's a 1/4 inch drive, should be plenty for this. It don't look too bad. And we also got a couple extra goodies here. This right here is a booster pack and a tire inflator. Well, you know, this is a 40-year-old machine and the tires are constantly going flat. Little bag. Here's a little air compressor piece. And here's our unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and probably plug this one in now and charge it up. It does feel a little cheap, but I'm sure it'll work all right. And we just got a couple more things left. This right here is just an oil can. I need to drain the oil of this and change it because I had this out of a barn, I don't know, 6 or 8 months ago. And I've been banging around the yard on it, using away at it, and I never did change the oil. So she is due for an oil change. And the last thing that we got here is a cover. So I've been putting everything outside lately because I don't have nowhere else to put it. And now I can put this bad girl outside, not worrying about her getting the weather and the elements. We got a fine load of gear from Temu, a mixture of parts and tools. Now it's time to get to work. Alrighty then, let's not waste any time. Pray to the mechanic gods that these things do not crack off. So let's grab my Temu socket set. Oh, she's coming right off, boys. Let's go. Let's haul off that old pipe and throw it right in the garbage. Alright, so here you can see old versus new. We're definitely going to have to shorten this up a lot. It's nice and snug like that. Alright, so we got this front pipe on here right now. It looks really good. No muffler on it yet, so you know what we got to do. There's no way that you can not start this like it is. Let's fire her up and see what she sounds like with no muffler. I just looked back on the footage and I did see that she spit out some flames. I mean, come on boys, we're pretty much turning this into a race machine right now, alright? We got our muffler in place and mounted. Now we got a little bit of trimming, a little bit of persuasion, trim off a bit more, and a little bit more persuasion. Now we can use our exhaust pipe expander so we can get these pipes fitting nice and snug. Let's tighten up that front pipe and slide the middle section together. Nothing to it. So yeah, start off by cutting off that much, and then that much, and then that piece, and then that piece. And voila! We got her in. There's a spring that goes right here to hold this on, but it is to get her pretty tight. Right here's our join. Don't look too bad at all. Comes around. I got her tightened up here already. This is all tight. I am going to have to come in here now with my little welder. Try to put like a tack down here maybe and a tack up here. Couple of tacks should be fine. It is pretty snug fit, so I don't think it's going to leak. Yeah, it was pretty funny. I posted up a Facebook reel or a post, and anyway, somebody in the comments was like, if you put that trash on the trike, I'm unfollowing you. Anyway, I just commented back with, kind of see you later, right? I mean, look, what are you saving, bud? Look, like giant holes. This little flange up here, this is all rotted out. Anyway, let's get our little stick welder and put a few tacks on that join. She's on. I'm just gonna put her on halfway and try it out. I definitely gotta turn it down a little bit. First time trying her out, it welds. I can bend it. Well, still on. So the weld is good. Now that we got some practice and got this little welder all dialed in, let's tack together this exhaust. I'm actually surprised and I like this little welder. All right, so what I got here are the ends of two like side axles. And what I'm gonna do is butt them together like that and weld them shut. What's your favorite kind of bubble gum? Hubba Bubba, Juicy Fruit. Mine is Welding. I know, you're just drooling over my welding. I got a couple good ones in though. Look. Install the spring and this job is done. That ain't going nowhere. We know what she sounds like stock. We know what she sounds like straight pipe. Let's see what she sounds like now with this full Temu exhaust on her. A lot quieter than it was with straight pipe. You can hear like a bit of a deep tone though, can't you? I think that's not too bad. It's not too quiet like stock, and it's not really loud either. It's just like a nice little upgrade, that's all. Now we can chuck this wheel back on and torque it to spec. Click, click. Now let's get her down on the ground. Let's grab our Temu oil drain. Here it comes. I'm gonna give that a minute now to drain. Let's get our plug put back in. This is probably the first oil change it's had in a decade. All right, so now that we got all that done, this thing is just about charged up. I'm gonna put her on here. I'm gonna hit the pump button. Oh, now it's time to take this rocket ship out for a rip. I mean, look at her. She definitely sounds a lot better, that's for sure. I mean, she's no big old power machine or nothing like that, but nice and shiny, sounds good. Oh, we got no clearance issues. I don't have the camera lady with me today, so bear with me. Trying to get dirty today. Remember this place? We were here with the screw. We were here. Oh man, look at it. It's looking sick. We were here with the screw. We were here with the quads. I wonder if this old girl will make it through. I 100% should have turned back, but I ain't no quitter. Oh. She's filling full of water. Oh my geez, I'm stuck. What an idiot. She's clearly filling up full of water. Everything's underwater. Well, I guess I'm about to get sogged wet now, boys. Oh my god. Oh, she's full of water for sure. Oh. She's floating, boys. Okay, we can just float her back then, I guess. Oh my god, what an idiot, man. I honestly didn't think it was this deep. Oh, the water never got no warmer. Oh, come on, baby. I'm sorry, baby. Didn't mean to do you like that. Oh, 100% should turn around. Oh, the water's so cold. I'm gonna walk home now, is the worst part. Oh. Oh my god, she gonna start up? No way, she gonna start up. Was she? Look. The pipe is looking good though. Turn right blue, will it? She couldn't have got that much water here, could she? Honda, baby! Honda, baby! Honda, baby! Whoa! That's so good, boss. I'm just happy I don't need to do the walk of shame back home. I was out in the water. The quad video from the other day, I was out in the water. And this one, I was out in that water. I got 3 pairs of boots, socked wet. These are brand new too. Just hauled them in the closet. I'm in the quad tracks, right? And I only got 3 wheels, so this wheel stays in this track, and the back wheel goes over in that track. Pretty big hill here. I got no brakes, but first gear is normally slow enough. Oh, big rock! You gotta come out here and junk up all my wood too, not at once. Oh, I jumped up there already. Now she's definitely a certified ripper, or maybe even a certified submarine. Alright guys, in this video we removed that old crusty rusty 40-year-old exhaust and installed this brand new exhaust system from Temu. It's a very easy install with just a few modifications, and I think that it looks and sounds deadly. Alright boys, that's it for today. Shout out to all you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Shout out to Temu for sponsoring me on this video. The things I picked out, I'm actually pleased with. You know, it's of the expectation that I had. If you want to check out any of the links, probably a discount code, maybe some product links, I'll leave all the links down in my description. If you haven't followed me on Patreon, check it out. You're missing out some good stuff. I'm doing a giveaway over on Patreon, some Milwaukee drills. That'll be go ahead in May. Check me out there. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead, drain the oil back out of this because there's definitely water in the engine. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Why do I do this to myself?